Let's talk about BRITA Fun Water Filter Jug and Cartridge, Lime. Compact, colorful design ideal for smaller kitchens and households. Swing opener lid for easy pouring, fits fridge door with 1.1 liters filtered water capacity, 1.5 liters total capacity. Includes MAXTRA filter cartridge with 25% finer mesh for better reduction of coarse particles. Microcarbon pearls reduce chlorine and organic impurities which affect taste and odor of food and drink. Ion exchange pearls reduce limescale and metals, enhancing flavor and aroma of tea and coffee. Electronic memo reminder notifies you when to replace filter cartridge. It filters like any other BRITA filter, so the water it produces is lovely to drink. I really like the color accent. But I have it only 4 stars because of a design flaw. Picking it up is uncomfortable. The raised border around the BRITA logo means your fingers and thumb need to grip over it, and it's pretty uncomfortable when the jug is full. It would have been so easy to mold a hand grip shape into the plastic. Did no one pick it up when full during testing? I really like this. I get through the filter quite quickly, but I bought it for my husband mostly as he likes cold water straight from the fridge, and this is a good size without taking up too much space in the fridge door. I love the color choices. It's easy to handle and I like the slip lid, and we have cut down our plastic bottle water consumption by using it. We've always had a BRITA filter jug for general water, but this is great for the fridge for cold water on hand. I preferred my previous model as you could refill the jug lifting the hinged lid. On the new one you have to remove the lid, which is not always easy.